how to read receipts from others on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to be able to read receipts from others on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application, click on it, and now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Now scroll down and click on privacy, and like you see on messaging, you have read receipts. If read receipts are disabled, you won't be able to see read receipts from other. Now make sure to turn on this option to be able to see read receipts from your others users, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.